The following matrices has the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so this is a given matrix here. So take this matrix as a A. Okay, here take a given matrix as a A. So I am taking a is equal to, okay, the given matrix here. Okay, then write its a transpose here. Therefore A dash is equal to, okay, here are 3 5 right in the column here. So 3 5 1 minus 1. Okay, so 1 minus 1 right in the column here. It is the A dash here. Then adding this here, A plus A dash. So A plus A dash is equal to, so A is the matrix here, 3 5 1 minus 1 here. Okay, then the plus A dash is the matrix 3 1 5 minus 1 here. Okay, so it is a matrix here and this is a matrix A dash here. Then add it here. Therefore this is equal to, here 3 plus 3 becomes 6 here. 5 plus 1 it is a 6 and 1 plus 5 is a 6 here, and minus 1 becomes a minus of 2 here. Okay, it is a minus 2. Okay, here A plus A dash is equal to this here. Okay, next take here 1 upon 2 here. Let P is equal to, okay, let P is equal to 1 upon 2 into A plus A dash. Okay, P is equal to 1 upon 2 into A plus A dash. Therefore A plus A dash is this matrix here. Therefore this is equal to 1 divided by 2 here. 1 by 2 into the matrix here 6 minus 2 here. Okay, 1 upon 2 into A plus A dash is this matrix. Then take 1 by 2 inside the matrix here, means divide each element by 2 here. Therefore 6 into 1 upon 2 is the 3 here. 6 into 1 upon 2 is the 3. 6 into 1 upon 2 again is the 3 here. Minus 2 upon 2 gives the minus of 1. Okay, so P is equal to this is the matrix here. Okay, next A minus A dash here. Okay, here take its a transpose here. What happens here? So P dash is equal to, so take its a transpose here. P dash is equal to 3 3. The elements in a row right in the column here. 3 comma 3 here. 3 minus 1 right in the column. 3 minus 1 here. Therefore P dash is this matrix here. Then P is this matrix. Both are same here. Both are same. Yes, you can write here P dash is equal to P here. If this condition is satisfied here, if P dash is equal to P, then obviously P is what here? Symmetric matrix. Therefore P is a symmetric matrix. Okay, P is a symmetric matrix. So we are taking P is equal to 1 upon 2 into A plus A dash. So A plus A dash is this here. Therefore 1 upon 2 into this here. Therefore multiply each element 1 by 2 or dividing each element by 2 here. We get this matrix. So P is this matrix. Then write its a transpose. So transpose of the matrix. So comparing these two, P dash is equal to P. By the definition of symmetric matrix, P is said to be a symmetric matrix. This is by definition here. Okay. Next, subtracting here. Okay, a minus a dash. A minus a dash is equal to, a is this matrix here. So 3, 5, 1 minus 1 here. Minus of a dash is this matrix here. So 3, 1, 5 minus 1 here. Okay. Then subtracting these two here. Here 3 minus 3 becomes a 0 here. 5 minus 1 is a 4. 1 minus 5 is a minus of 4 here. Minus 1 minus of minus become plus here. Minus 1 plus 1 becomes a 0 here. Okay. Here subtracting these two matrices. 3 minus 3 is a 0. 5 minus 1 is a 4. 1 minus 5 minus 4. Minus 1 plus 1 becomes a 0. Okay. Next, let us consider Q here. Let Q is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket a minus a dash. Okay, 1 upon 2 into a minus a dash. Therefore, this is equal to 1 upon 2 into, here a minus a dash is this matrix here. So 0, 4, minus 4 and 0. Okay. Then take 1 by 2 inside the matrix. Therefore, this is equal to, then write here 0. 4 into 1 upon 2 becomes 2 here. Minus 4 into 1 upon 2 is a minus 2 here. 0 into 1 upon 2 becomes a 0. Okay. So this is a matrix Q. Then write its a transpose here. Hence Q dash is equal to, so 0 to, these are element in the row, right in the column here. So 0 to here. Minus 2, 0 right in the column. So minus 2, 0. Okay. So from this matrix, take your minus common factor here. Okay. Here take a minus common. Minus right outside here. Then the positive term becomes a negative, negative term becomes positive. So write 0 as it is here. Minus 2 becomes a plus 2. Plus 2 becomes a minus 2 here. And it is a 0. Therefore, outside minus is there. And here this is what here? This is a matrix Q here. So this is equal to minus of Q here. Okay, minus right as it is here. Okay. Then here this is a matrix Q. This is a matrix Q. Hence Q dash is equal to minus Q. If a Q dash is equal to minus Q, then obviously Q is what here? Skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, here P is a symmetric matrix here, and Q is a skew symmetric. P means this matrix here. P is this one, and Q is this here. Okay, adding these two here. Okay, therefore P plus Q is equal to, P is this matrix here. Okay, so right here, so 3 minus 1 plus here, and Q is this matrix. So 0, 2, minus 2, 0. Okay. Therefore, this is equal to what here? Here 3 plus 0 becomes a 3 here. 3 plus 2 is a 5. Then 3 minus 2 is a 1 here. Minus 1 plus 0 minus 1 here. Then obviously this is a matrix here. Okay, this is a matrix here. Yes, this is equal to what here? Here. Therefore, P plus Q is equal to A. Means P is a symmetric matrix here, and Q is a skew symmetric matrix. So every square matrix can be expressed as sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix here. Okay, therefore it is a verification here. Therefore A can be expressed as a sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay, here A is equal to this matrix here. You can express this one as a sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix here. So which is asked in the year July 2015 Karnataka PU board year. Okay. So just like a previous example here. Again you express the matrix as a sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix here. So consider the given matrix as a A. Then it's a transpose. A dash is equal to 1, 5 right in the column minus 1, 2 right in the column here. Then add it here. A plus A dash is equal to 1, 5 minus 1, 2 then the plus here. Okay. So 1 minus 1, 5, 2 here. Therefore this is equal to 1 plus 1 becomes a 2 here. 5 minus 1 is a 4 minus 1 plus a 5 it is a 4 here. 2 plus 2 becomes a 4. Okay. So it is A plus A dash. Then let P is equal to. So P is equal to what here? 1 upon 2 into bracket A plus A dash here. Therefore this is equal to 1 upon 2 into A plus A dash is this matrix here. So write here 2, 4, 4 and 4 here. Take 1 upon 2 inside here. Therefore 2 into 1 upon 2 becomes 1. 4 into 1 upon 2 becomes 2 here. 4 into 1 upon 2 is 2. 4 into 1 upon 2 is 2 here. Okay. So this is a matrix of here. Then write it's a transpose. Hence P dash is equal to. So 1, 2 the elements in the row right in the column here. Then 2, 2 right in the column. So this is a matrix of P dash and this is a matrix of here. Both are same here. Hence we can write here. So P dash is equal to P here. If a P dash is equal to P, then it is a symmetric matrix. Therefore P is a symmetric matrix. Okay. Next here take here A minus A dash here. A minus A dash. Okay. So the matrix A, given matrix here 1, 5 minus 1, 2 here minus of A dash is this matrix here 1 minus 1, 5, 2 here. Therefore this is equal to here 1 minus 1 is a 0. 5 plus 1 is a 6. Minus 1 minus 5 minus 6. 2 minus 2 becomes a 0. Okay. Therefore let us consider Q is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket A minus of A dash here. Therefore this is equal to 1 divided by 2 here. 1 upon 2 into the matrix 0, 6 minus 6, 0. Therefore this is equal to 0 into 1 upon 2 becomes a 0. 6 into 1 upon 2 becomes a 3. Minus 6 into 1 upon 2. It is a minus 3. 0 into 1 upon 2 becomes a 0. So this is a matrix here. Then write it's a transpose. Hence Q dash is equal to. So 0 3 right in the column here. Minus 3 0 right in the column. Okay, minus of 3 0. Here take a minus common factor here. Right minus outside. Then it is a 0. Minus 3 becomes a plus 3. Plus 3 becomes a minus 3. And right here 0. Therefore minus of here this matrix is what is Q here. Okay. Therefore this is a matrix of Q. Here so Q dash is equal to minus Q. Here so Q is stated to be Q symmetric here. Q is a Q symmetric matrix here. Okay, Q is a Q symmetric matrix. Now adding up P and Q. Therefore P plus Q is equal to, okay, here P is this matrix here. Okay, so 1 2, then 2 2 here, then a plus, and Q is this matrix. Okay, so right here, so 0 3 minus 3 0. Therefore this is equal to what here? 1 plus 0 is 1 here. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 2 plus 0 is 2 here. Okay, here this is a matrix A. Okay, therefore this is a matrix A. Therefore this is a given matrix here. So every square matrix can be expressed as a sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Here P is a symmetric matrix, Q is a skew symmetric. Yes, square matrix can be expressed as a symmetric and skew symmetric. Sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix here. The matrix of order 3 into 3. Previous two examples are matrix of order 2 into 2. Here it is a 3 into 3. Even here also expressed as a sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix here. Therefore, take this matrix as a A. Okay. Then take its transpose. A dash is equal to 3 3 minus 1. So 3 3 minus 1 right in the column. Minus 2 1. Minus 2 1 here. Minus 4 minus 5 2. Minus 4 minus 5 plus 2 here. Okay, right in the column. Add it here. A plus A dash. A plus A dash is equal to. Okay, I am writing a direct step here. Add here. 3 plus 3 becomes 6 here. This is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. Minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 here. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1 here. Minus 2 becomes a minus of 4. 1 minus 5 is a minus of 4 here. Minus 4 minus 1 is a minus of 5. Then a minus 5 plus 1 is a minus 4 here. 2 plus 2 becomes a 4. So plus 4 here. Okay. Therefore, later here matrix P is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket A plus A dash here. Okay. So this is equal to, so 1 upon 2 into A plus A dash. So A plus A dash is this matrix here. So 1 upon 2 into A plus A dash. Therefore multiply each element by this 1 upon 2 here. Therefore I am writing a direct steps here. So 6 into 1 upon 2 becomes a 3 here. Then 1 into 1 upon 2. So it is 1 by 2 here. Minus 5 into 1 upon 2 is a minus of 5 by 2 here. 1 into 1 upon 2 is a 1 divided by 2 here. Minus 4 into 1 upon 2 is a minus 2 here. Minus 4 into 1 upon 2 is a minus of 2 here. Okay. Then a minus 5 into 1 upon 2. Minus of 5 divided by 2 here. Then minus 4 into 1 upon 2 is a minus 2 here. 4 into 1 upon 2 is a plus 2 here. Okay. So this is a matrix of here. Then write its a transpose. hence P dash is equal to 3 1 upon 2 minus 5 by 2. Write in the column 3 1 divided by 2 minus of 5 divided by 10. 1 by 2 minus 2 minus 2. Column 1 by 2 minus 2 minus 2. Write in the column minus 5 by 2 here. Minus 5 by 2 minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2. Write in the column here. So just observe here. 3 and 3 here. 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. 1 upon 2 minus 2 and minus 2 here. Minus 5 by 2 minus 2 and plus 2. Both are same here. So we can write here P dash is equal to P here. So therefore if this condition satisfied, P is said to be a symmetric matrix here. Therefore P is a symmetric matrix. Okay, P is a symmetric matrix here. Okay. Then A minus A dash here. A minus of A dash here. Okay. Here is the matrix A and this is A dash here. Subtracting each other. Here 3 minus 3 becomes a 0. Then 3 minus of minus becomes plus here. 3 plus 2 is a 5. Then minus 1 plus 4. Minus of minus becomes plus here. Minus 1 plus 4 is a 3 here. Plus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 is a minus of 5. Then minus 2 plus 2 minus becomes plus here. Minus 2 minus plus. Minus 2 plus 2 becomes a 0 here. Then 1 minus of minus plus here. 1 plus 5 becomes a 6. Is a 6 here. Then minus 4 plus 1 here. Minus of minus becomes plus. Minus 4 plus 1 is a minus of 3 here. Minus 3. Minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 here. It is a minus 6 here. Then 2 minus 2 becomes a 0. So this is a 0. So let us consider Q is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket A minus A dash here. So in this case A minus A dash is this here multiplied by 1 by 2. Therefore 0 into 1 upon 2 becomes a 0. 5 into 1 upon 2 5 divided by 2 here. Then 3 into 1 upon 2 is a 3 divided by 2. Minus 5 into 1 upon 2 minus of 5 by 2 here. Okay. Then 0 into 1 upon 2 becomes a 0 here. Then 6 into 1 upon 2 becomes a 3. Minus 3 into 1 upon 2 is a minus 3 by 2 here. Minus 6 into 1 upon 2 is a minus of 3 here. 0 into 1 upon 2 is a 0 here. Okay, this is a matrix Q. Then write its a transpose. Hence Q dash is equal to 0, 5 by 2, 3 by 2. So 0, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, write in the column. Minus 5 by 2, 0, 3. Write in the column here. Minus 5 by 2, 0 and 3. Then minus 3 by 2, minus 3, 0. Minus of 3 by 2. Then minus of 3 here. Then z given. Okay. Now take your minus common factor. So minus is the common here. Then it is a 0. Minus becomes a plus here. Plus 5 by 2. Minus becomes plus 3 by 2 here. Minus of 5 by 2. Then it is a 0. And it is a plus 3. Then here minus of 3 by 2 here. Minus 3 by 2. Then minus 3 and a 0. Okay. So write this minus as it is here. Minus. So compare this with this here. Compare here. 0, 0 is there. 5 by 2. 3 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 here. Then it is 0. And it is a 3 here. Minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 and a 0. This is the same matrix here. So this is the Q. Okay, this matrix is a Q. Hence Q dash is equal to minus Q. By definition, Q is what here? skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, Q is a skew symmetric matrix. So Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Now you add it here. So P plus Q. P plus Q is equal to matrix P is this here. Okay. So write here 3. Then 1 upon 2 minus 5 by 2. Then 1 upon 2 here. Then minus of 2 minus 2 here. Then minus 5 by 2 here. Minus 5 by 2 minus 2 and 2 here. Okay. Then plus then matrix Q is this here, this one. Therefore 0, 5 by 2 and 3 by 2 here. Then minus 5 by 2. Minus here, minus 5 by 2. Then 0 and 3. Then minus 3 by 2 here. Then minus of 3 and 0. Now add the terms here. Okay, I am writing here. Therefore, P plus Q here. P plus Q is equal to, just observe here. So 3 plus 0 becomes 3. So write here 3. Then 1 upon 2 plus 5 by 2 here. So look here, 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. 2 LCM here. To write in the denominator, 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6 here, 6 by 2. 6 upon 2 is what here? 3. So write here 3. Okay. Then minus 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is there. So minus of 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2. 2 is the LCM here. Minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3 gives minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to what here? Minus 1. Minus 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2 gives minus 1 here. So right here minus 1. Then 1 upon 2 minus 5 by 2 is there. Therefore 1 upon 2 minus of 5 by 2. 2 LCM here. 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 is a minus 4 here divided by 2. Minus 4 upon 2 is a minus 2. So 1 upon 2 minus 5 by 2 gives a minus 2. So right here minus 2. Okay, like that you just add the terms here. We get this matrix. Obviously this is a given matrix here. Matrix A. Therefore A is equal to what? P plus Q here. Therefore A can be expressed as, so sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. So this is the procedure here. So same one more example is there. It is a homework 5. Okay, just do in our home. So question is 6 minus 2 plus 2 here, minus 2 3 minus of 1, then 2 minus 1 plus 3. Okay, so this is the fourth example here. This is a homework for it. So same procedure is there. Thank you.